Hi, in this video I will show you how to install WordPress in your computer. But why? Well, WordPress or web developers do this to avoid editing their website on production. It's a good practice that we have a separate environment where we develop and test the site and where we put them online. Hence, we only touch the production website when we need to update them. So, now let's go ahead and set up our test and development environment. So, I have here WordPress package in Samp Installer. But wait, how did I get this? Let me show real quick. So, I open a browser, type a WordPress download, hit enter and click on Download WordPress. Open a new tab and type Samp. Hit enter and click on Samp Installer. Choose what OS do you have, then on WordPress, just click on the blue button. Now that we have both files, let's go ahead and install Samp first. Double click on the Samp installer, click OK. We are going to leave everything in default and click Next. Except for this one, let's uncheck it for now because you can visit Bitnami site later. Let's go ahead and click Next. Next. And let's wait until unpacking is completed. Now the installation is finished. Let's go ahead and click Finish. Samp will prompt to us, let's start Apache and MySQL. Awesome! Now we are ready to set up our WordPress database. Beautiful! Now that we already have our Samp installed to our PC, let's go ahead and click Admin. Then PHP My Admin. This page is basically where we set up our database. So let's go ahead and click on User Accounts. Add new user account, fill up the login information such as username and password. We're gonna tick on Create Database with same name and grant all privileges, then click Go. As you can see, there's new database being created. Now, let's check the user account as well. Alright, wait, actually, let's grant our WordPress database user to have a global privilege. Just tick all and click Go. Now that the database and user account are all set up, let's go ahead and unpack the WordPress package. Double click on the zip folder, copy the folder, go to Samp folder in Drive C, open Samp folder, open htdocs and paste the folder here. Now the folder is ready. Let's open it and find the w-config-sample-php. Remove sample on it. Now we are ready to integrate our newly created database to our web server. Let's open w-config.php. Let's integrate the database that we have created in Samp. Let's remove this and put WordPress as database name. Let's do the same in the database username and password. That's done. Let's go ahead and save it. Now close file and close the file editor. Let's open a new browser and type localhost/WordPress, then hit enter. Now, let's go ahead and fill up this form. Let's put site title as Tech-noy, username and password, confirm of using weak password. Remember, this is just a testing, so always use a strong password. Then email address, then hit on install WordPress. Now WordPress has been installed to our web server. Let's go ahead and log in to test the site. Let's click on Login. Type in username and password. Click on Login button. Let's go ahead and view the look of our site. So, hover over to our page title and click on View Site. As you can see, there's no much in here as this is only a sample page. We will edit this later as we go further learning about WordPress. This is all for now. On the next video, we will explore more about WordPress dashboard. So stick around and I'll see you in the next one.